Hi Jen, this is the video that I told you I was going to make to help you. So, right here, I'm probably guessing you got the first layer done, right? Let me move the camera like this. Okay. You got the first layer done. So, you need to get the second layer. By the way, this is pink, not purple. The second layer done. Okay? The problem you're having, you told me, was that you put this edge to the place where it's supposed to go. Pink, green, pink, and green. So what you do is you do the algorithm UI, LI, U, L, U, F, UI, FI, right? And apparently you're having some problems with that. So basically the algorithms are really easy. The only thing is you just gotta see how they work. An example would be this one right here. Look, let me show you using interesting. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, here it is. I'm sorry. So this is the example. Pink and green need to go to the right. Okay? So the algorithm is the U moves the edge from here to here. Right? See that? U, R. The R moves the corner up here. Pink, green corner. UI separates the corner and moves it back here along with the edge. So when you do RI, the edge and the corner are paired up. When you do UI again, look at the pair. UI moves it to the side right here. See? So when you do FI, you bring the black or the white up again, pairs it up together once you do the other U, and moves it back. So it's basically just a little pattern you gotta see. Same with the other side. UI moves it over. LI brings the corner up. U brings the corner and the edge in place. L pairs this up. U moves it to the side. F, UI, FI. And you see how that works. And all you gotta do is you gotta do this over and over again to all the edges. Another one again. See? U moves it here. I, corner up here. Corners together. Brought it here. To the side. F, UI, FI. And pairs it together. One more to the right. U, R, corner, edge. UI, RI, pairs it up. UI, moves it to the side. FI, U, F. And that brings it all together, allowing you to make your cross on the top. See? Without missing the rest. So, yeah, and then from here on we can just solve the cube, you know. We don't really... So, yeah, see? It's not that hard, you just gotta get used to it. So, I hope that helped you a little bit. If not, let me know, okay? Bye.